our channel. My name is Anna.
And I'm Tyler, and we're nutritionists at Beach Medical.
Today we're going to be discussing how to eat healthy on the road. And it's summertime, so everyone's traveling, so Tyler wanted to share some of her tips that she does when she travels.
Yeah, definitely. Tip numero uno, bring the cooler. Put some ice packs in it and bring a cooler. It doesn't, you have the car, you can put it anywhere you want. I always pack a yogurt, and I know that that's one of the first things I'm going to have to eat, so I usually do that. If you need your water cold, there's a place to put that. I feel like the big one I do is yogurt though.
And eggs, like hard-boiled eggs. Some people can do that. And it kind of saves you money too, because I know like a lot of people always stop at gas stations and grab food, and always, like most likely, gas stations don't have yogurt or eggs. Usually they choose starchy foods like Chex Mix or chips.
Yeah,
so
there's some like good gas stations where you can get like the pre-hard-boiled eggs and like the good sandwiches and stuff like that, but not all of them do that.
I like the cooler idea. And then do you ever pack anything non-perishable?
Yeah, nuts are my best friend on a road trip too. It is one of the times that I also will go for the protein bars. Yeah, it's like good to have on hand. They're a good backup snack, and they don't really go bad. Might want to keep it in your cooler so it doesn't melt while you're inside places or whatever if you're stopping all the way.
The jerkies are so good too.
Oh yes, the jerkies. Those are my favorite too.
Yes. So they're great. They're super high in protein. They'll keep you full while you're on the road. They're awesome.
Yeah, so you can do the sticks like we have here, or if you get like a big pack of jerky, I usually will split it up into portions because it's easy to be mindless.
Yeah.
So I do split it up into portions, so we've got our baggies to hand off to people.
Another good idea too is like bringing those like guacamole or individual hummus cups with you on the road.
Smart.
And then you can like have your carrot sticks or some pretzels. If you do want something, you can stop at the gas station and grab like some, veggie sticks or some pretzels and dip them in your hummus. Just something if you do want something to snack on. And I bring fruit. I always like wash my fruit with me. And I take my fruit or gas
peanut
station.
Butter, you can
peanut
have
butter.
That doesn't go bad.
No.
Sorry.
Oh no, you're fine. I think gas stations they do have fruit, but make sure you wash the fruit because most likely they do not wash them, and so many hands were probably on it.
Gross.
So definitely wash the fruit. Just go to the restroom and wash that. But in water bottles, try to drink and stay hydrated as much as you can when you're in the car.
And I do find that people they tend to lean towards sodas, which if you watch our last video, you know how we feel about those. Yeah, and like things like that people tend to do. But no, water, drink your water. It's okay to stop in the bathroom.
Yeah. And one more tip I do is when when we're getting gas, I always take a lap around the gas station because my legs are always so sore and I'm going to be sitting in the car all day. So just get outside, walk a little bit, take a little break.
A little stretch. Yeah, I like the walk idea. I usually have to walk my dog, so.
Exactly. So Anything else?
I think those are my big ones. I think we hit all the things. Just don't be afraid to bring a cooler. I feel like people don't prepare for the road trips. They just try and use what's on the road, and you don't have to
and some
do
coolers
that.
can last like 8 hours. So
ice packs.
Yeah. So if you guys have any comments or tips on what you guys do when you are traveling on the road, please let us know.
Definitely.
And we will see you guys next time. Have a good day. Bye.